Right. So here's this. It'll tell you all what's going on in here. And then we gotta go see which bus. Right, we need 37. So let's see if 37 is on upper or lower. 35. 35 just left. Yeah, no biggie. We need 37.
That's 51.
Okay, look. You help everyone out. So go on 37. Upper or lower? This side is the upper, this is the lower. Where's 37? There it is. All right, let's go over here and jump on. Oh, that's 39 double. See it filling up? It's loading up now.
People are getting off. We're not going
No, it
to
shows
that.
on the sign. See? Look, pay attention, sweet.
We're not going on that
So
bed.
37, straight ahead.
Straight ahead.
See it on the sign?
Yeah.
The electric sign and that sign. So just wait here.